shirt with an emblem in the middle, sky blue pants, and black and white shoes. The lilac was last seen on Thursday, September 1st, 2022, 9:24 a.m.
Statewide Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, a statewide Amber Alert has been declared. The Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department has requested the activation of an Amber Alert from Indianapolis, Indiana. The victim, Delilah Jennings, is a 9-year-old black female.
EAS. Check any information on this incident. Contact the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department at 317-327-6540. or 911. This concludes the Amber Alert.
9:24 a.m. in Indianapolis, Indiana, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect is Monica Bernine, a 32-year-old black female, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 210 pounds, brown hair with brown eyes, well seen with her hair in a long black braid, wearing a blue fitted hoodie, gray biker shorts, and white shoes. Driving a blue 2015 Chevrolet Malibu, Indiana license plate 233BXA. If you have any information on this incident, contact the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department at 317-327-6540 or 911. This concludes the Amber Alert.
Live, local, and here for you at 11:48. Good morning, I'm Kim Morris. That was a statewide Amber Alert that has been declared by the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department. The victim, 9-year-old Delilah Jennings, 3 feet 6 inches tall, 80 pounds, black hair with brown eyes. You can see all the details online. Follow us on Twitter at WLBC Studio. You can also go to the website in.gov/ISP and look for Amber Alert for photos and additional information. We'll continue to keep you posted on that. Again, a statewide Amber Alert has just been declared. John Mayer.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hamilton County until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain had fallen from near Carmel northeast to just east of Cicero. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement and requests they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday for the following county: Hamilton, Indiana. Expected hazards include flash flooding. Ignore all hazards. Radio KAC
Random water radio activation.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday for the following county: Hamilton, Indiana. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Edgar County in east central Illinois, southern Vermilion County in east central Illinois, southern Champaign County in east central Illinois, northeastern Douglas County in east central Illinois, until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Savoy, or near Champaign, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind and dollar-size hail. This is a radar indicated. It was cloudy. The temperature was expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Trilo and Sydney around 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Villa Grove around 1:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Broadlands around 1:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Aladdin, Newman, Seidel, Stockton and Chrisman. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 223 and 241. Interstate 72 between mile markers 179 and 182. Interstate 74 between mile markers 176 and 191. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2.
Thank you.
The National Weather Service can have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Coles County in east central Illinois, Edgar County in east central Illinois, southern Vermilion County in east central Illinois, southeastern Champaign County in east central Illinois, eastern Douglas County in east central Illinois, until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Broadlands, or 18 miles northeast of Tuscola, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Seidel around 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Hume around 2:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in daybreak of the severe thunderstorm in the upper 60s. Between mile markers 213 and 216. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Illinois: Edgar and Vermilion. Southeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:52 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bourbon, or 9 miles west of Warsaw, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Winona Lake, Bourbon, Mentone, Tippecanoe, Silver Lake, Etna Green, Claypool, Burkett, Sydney, Hoffman Lake, Atwood, Palestine, Beaver Dam Lake, Packardon, Old Tip Town, Sevastopol, and Beaver Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging wind and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko and Marshall.
And why do you have the middle of the day? I have never seen a guy make comments like that. But usually they do it at like 2 a.m. because they'll tell you to be out of it or whatever.
Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. This is a special weather statement for the following counties: northern Kosciuszko, Indiana. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of southwestern Elkhart.